Is this painting truly the work of Hieronymus Bosch, or might it be the creation of one of his followers? Let's take a closer look at the mysterious painting titled The Temptation of St. Anthony, dated between 1550 and 1600 and attributed to the manner of Bosch. The artwork, currently housed in the Noordbrabants Museum in Bosch, vividly depicts the trials of St. Anthony the Hermit, a figure known for his ascetic life in the Egyptian desert, who was famously tormented by various visions and temptations sent by the devil. In the painting, St. Anthony is portrayed in the foreground, deep in prayer, leaning on a large rock. Key details, such as the Anthony's cross on his monk's hood and the bell on his belt, symbolize his identity and the connection to the Antonites, a religious order that cared for those suffering from diseases. Despite bearing Bosch's signature, many art historians have debated whether this piece was indeed painted by him. While the chaotic and imaginative elements in the painting echo Bosch's distinct style, closer inspection reveals a certain lack of refinement that characterizes Bosch's known works. For example, art historian Max Friedlander suggested that this painting is rather crude in execution and might be an older copy of a now-lost Bosch original. Dendrochronological studies date the wooden panel to around 1551 or later, which points to the possibility that it was created after Bosch's death in 1516 by one of his followers. The imagery in the painting is filled with symbolic meaning. The background features a burning monastery attacked by monstrous figures, representing the spiritual trials and destruction associated with the devil's temptations. In the foreground, a house with the face of a woman and a young figure nearby suggest the lures of lust and moral downfall. Above, a strange fish carrying a demon with an owl on its head symbolizes the deceit and moral blindness common in Bosch's works. While the origins of this painting remain uncertain, its powerful symbolism and unsettling imagery remain a testament to the influence of Hieronymus Bosch and the enduring appeal of his unique, visionary style. Thank you for joining us. Please like and subscribe for more insightful art explorations.